Good morning, students. Welcome to the third video of a function class. So today we will discuss how to find range of the function and the different types of standard function. So before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति 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 सुस्त. The last class we have already discussed what is the domain of the function and how to find maximal domain or maximum domain of the function. In case of fx is a polynomial form, in case of rational form fx by gx, or in case of square root function. Okay, so you know rational function fx by gx, its value is defined if denominator part is not equal to 0. So domain of fx by gx is equal to set of real number r minus the set of values of x such that g of x is equal to 0. तेणु रेशनल जो फॉर्म थी तार डोमेन बाहर करिया गले प्रथम डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट जहाँ थी ताकू इक्वल टू 0 नब ना नहीं. सो इक्वल टू 0 नेला परे ताकू सॉल्व करियो एक्स रो वैल्यूला बाहर करियो. एक्स रो वैल्यूला बाहर कला परे डोमेन आसियो तुमरा आर माइनस सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स सच दैट जी ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू 0. नेक्स्ट, हाउ टू फाइंड डोमेन ऑफ square root function. You know square root fx is well defined. Square root under function must be greater than or equal to 0. तेणु स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन डोमेन बाहर करिया गले स्क्वायर रूट भितर जहाँ थी से इक्वल टू ग्रेटर देन 0 कंसीडर करिवो ताकू सॉल्व करी एक्स रो वैल्यू आम बाहर करबा एंड दैट इज नोन एज डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन. ओके, domain of polynomial function. You know in polynomial function for all x belongs to R, the value of fx is defined. So the domain of every polynomial function is a set of real number. Okay, so in this way you have to find the domain of the function, and also we discussed what is the sign of the polynomial. Okay, so today we will discuss what is the range of the function and how to find range. Range of function f of x. The values of f of x is called range of the function. Is called range of the function where x is defined. Okay, but the value of x, but the values of x where fx is defined, where f of x is defined is called domain, is called domain of fx. Okay, so the set of values of x where fx is defined is called domain. The value of fx is known as range of the function. x रो जो value पाई fx रो वैल्यू डिफाइंड हम, fx रो वैल्यू पॉजिबल हम, x रो से वैल्यू हम कहचे डोमेन कहचे. एक्सट्रा वैल्यूटा पकेला एफ एक्स वैल्यू जो आसो जो आउटपुट कलेक्शन ताको हम कहे रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ एक्स इज कॉल्ड रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन, whereas the value of x is called domain of the function. तो इनपुट सेट हूँ तुम डोमेन टा, आउटपुट सेट हूँ रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन. ओके, Do you understand? So what is a domain and what is a range? Okay, now method to find a range of function f of x. So how to find the range of the function f of x? Step 1. In step 1, let fx is equal to y. First you take let fx is equal to y. So the value of y is called range of the function. Okay. Step 2. Write x in terms of y. Write x in terms of y, or express x in terms of y, that is x is equal to phi of y, where phi means a function like that f of x is equal to f of y or x is equal to g of y, maybe phi of y, or you can write also g of y. तमें प्रथम कौन करियो जो फंक्शन रेंज रा पचारछि फास्ट तमें नब सेटा को fx इज इक्वल टू y नब fx इक्वल टू y नेला परे ताकू एक्सप्रेस करियो एक्सटा इन टर्म ऑफ y, एक्सटा को y स्टाइल ले कन्वर्ट करियो कौन करियो ना एक्सटा को y स्टाइल ले लिखिबो, दैट इज x इन टर्म्स ऑफ y. राइट x इन टर्म्स ऑफ y, that is known as x is equal to phi of y. Step 3, find the values of y where x is defined. बर्तमान देखिया पड़ो y रो जो वैल्यू पाई एक्स्ट्रा डिफाइंड होबो, that is known as a range of the function. Find values of y where x is defined, बुझे ना y रो जो वैल्यू पाई एक्स्ट्रा डिफाइंड होबो, that value of y is known as range of the function, and that value of y, values of y is called range of function f, is called range of a function. Okay, are you understand how can you find range of the function? In step 1, first you have to take fx is equal to y, then write x in terms of y. Okay, after convert x in terms of y, you collect the values of y such that x is defined, and that value of y is called range of the function. Okay, for example find range of following functions, that is number 1, fx equal to x minus 2 by 3 minus x. Number 2, fx equal to 1 by root of x minus 5. Number 3, root of 16 minus x square, and number 4, x by 1 plus x square, x by 1 plus x square. Number 5, fx equal to 3 by 2 minus x square, 3 by 2 minus x square. Okay, 3 by 2 minus x square. So how to find the range of the function? So first we do in question number 1, fx equal to x minus 2 by 3 minus x. Okay. So first you have to take fx is equal to y. So how to find its range of the function? Number 1, answer 1. Let f of x is equal to y. So fx means what? Here x minus 2 by 3 minus x, this is equal to y. Then express x in terms of y, that implies x minus 2 is equal to y into 3 minus x. So x minus 2 is equal to 3y minus xy. So how to express x in terms of y? Means you have to separate those term contains x in one side and those term contains not contains y in other side. Then जो टर्म रे x थिबो ताको गोटे साइड रे लेखो, जो टर्म रे x नाही ताको अन्य गोटे साइड रे लेखो. दैट इम्प्लाइज हियर x प्लस xy, देखो ये x अच्छी तो x प्लस xy इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 3y. x थिबार गोटे साइड लिखियो, x नथियार अन्य गोटे साइड लिखियो. दैट इम्प्लाइज ये x टी कॉमन करले 1 प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 3y प्लस 2. दैट इम्प्लाइज that implied, so x is equal to, that implied x is equal to 3y plus 2 by 1 plus y, and this is x is a function of y, x is equal to phi of y. Here we find the value of y where x is defined. आमको बर्तमान देखिया पड़ो y रो को वैल्यू पाई x टा डिफाइंड हो. अच्छा देखो क्लियरली x इज ए रेशनल फॉर्म, जो फंक्शन टा रहा है कौन अच्छे रेशनल फॉर्म रहा है. रेशनल फॉर्म थी बोले कौन कर फास्ट ना एक्स रैल्यूटा केतबेले अनडिफाइंड हम. एक्स इज अनडिफाइंड इफ 1 प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. जदि फंक्शन टा रेशनल फॉर्म थी बोले तुम फास्ट अनडिफाइंड सेटा बाहर कर. अनडिफाइंड सेटा बाहर कलापर डिफाइंड सेटा टोटल सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर माइनस अनडिफाइंड सेटा माइनस कले डिफाइंड सेटा आसीबो. ओके. सो here x is equal to 3y plus 2 by 1 plus y. Okay, we find the value of y where x is defined. y रो को वैल्यू पाई एक्स्ट्रा डिफाइंड हम. y रो से वैल्यू टा हम कहते रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन है ना. हेले एक्स्ट्रा केते फास्ट अनडिफाइंड पाई बाहर कर दियो. सो x इज अनडिफाइंड if 1 plus y is equal to 0, or you can write x is defined if 1 plus y not equal to 0 ना नहीं. अच्छा, so x is undefined if 1 plus y is 0. So 1 plus y is equal to 0 means y is equal what? minus 1. तेणु y टा जिते बेले minus 1 हम से x रो वैल्यू कौन हम undefined हम. So when x is defined, तो x is defined for all y belongs to r minus 1, is defined for y not equal to minus 1, or y belongs to r minus 1. Okay. Therefore the range of the function, the value of y is known as range. So the range of the function rf is equal to r minus set of minus 1. So the range of the function equal to r minus of minus 1. Okay. So in this way you have to find the range of the function. Next, number 2. Here fx is equal to 1 by root over x minus 5. Take fx is equal to y. So fx is equal to y means 1 by root over x minus 5 is equal to y. Okay. Then that implied here 1 by y. Okay, that means 1 by y is equal to root over x minus 5. 1 by y is equal to root over x minus 5. That implied then देन राइट x इन टर्म ऑफ y आमको x टाक y रे कन्वर्ट करिया पड़ियो ओके दैट इम्प्लाइड 1 by y square is equal to x minus 5. So x is equal to what? 1 by y square plus 5. That implied x is equal to 5. Okay, so x is equal to 5y square plus 1 by y square. Okay, so x is equal to 5y square plus 1 by y. So clearly x is a function of y. Now here we find the value of y where x is defined. Y रो को value पाई x टा defined और बाहर करिया पड़ियो. Since x is a rational form, so in the rational form first we have to find a undefined set. तेनु जोला rational form थियो first undefined set टा बाहर करियो. X is undefined if y square is equal to 0, that implied y is equal to 0. तेणु y टा जितेबाला 0 होची सेतेबाला x टा अनडिफाइंड हम. सो x टा केतेबाला डिफाइंड हम? x is defined for all y belongs to r minus 0. For all y belongs to r minus 0. Okay. Therefore the range of the function is equal to हमें कौन लिखा कथा ये देख y रो जो y रो वैल्यू 0 हेनी से x टा डिफाइंड हम तार तो रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन इज इक्वल टू r minus 0 set of real number except 0. But square root fx, here fx is equal to 1 by root over x minus 5. Square root, the value of square root function is always positive. If we take its negative value, suppose root 16, हेले रूट 16 जदि आम प्लस और माइनस 4 लिखा गोटे भैल्यूर जब दीटा इमेज आसो देन दिस इज नॉट ए फंक्शन एंड द स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. स्क्वायर रूट जो एक्स भैल्यूटा आसो से सब पॉजिटिव दरकार से नेगेटिव फास्ट फंक्शन अनडिफाइंड हम कहीं गोटे भैल्यूर जब दीटा इमेज रोचे देन दिस इज ए नॉट ए फंक्शन से फंक्शन हेनी सिंस स्क्वायर रूट इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. Are you understand? Here fx is equal to 1 by root over x minus 5. So root x minus 5 is always positive, whatever may be the domain of the function x fx. So here root is always positive. That's why here we write the range of the function is open interval 0 to infinite. देख मु आमे प्रथमे कौन कहले ना y रो वैल्यू लागू आमे रेंज बोली कहूचे हेले एडी y रो सब वैल्यू पे डिफाइंड होची एक्सेप्ट 0. तो रेंजटा आमे r माइनस 0 लिखिबा कथा किंतु जेतु फंक्शन रा एडी स्क्वायर रूट अछि 1 बाय रूट ओवर x माइनस 5 एंड स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. दैट्स व्हाई वी टेकिंग इट्स पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. देयरफॉर range of the function is equal to open interval 0 to infinite because square root is always positive. बोला बुझो पिले. So here fx is equal to 1 by root over x minus 5 and square root is always positive. So the range of the function is 0 to infinite. Third number, a root over 16 minus x square. So first you have to take fx is equal to y. So fx is equal to y means root of 16 minus x square is equal to y. That implies root of 16 minus x square is equal to y. So this is equal to 16 minus x square is equal to y square. Okay. Now we express x in terms of y. That implies 16 minus y square is equal to x square. Okay. So x is equal to root over 16 minus y square. So clearly x is equal to root over 16 minus y square. That means x here x is a square root function. You know square root function is defined square root under most function must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So extra square root form roila and x is defined if 16 minus y square is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay. And you know how to find its sign, how to find a solution of the quadratic inequation. तो ये y स्क्वायर कोफिशिएंट कौन अच्छी माइनस अच्छी तो आम y square कोफिशिएंट को पॉजिटिव करवा ओके सो दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ y square minus 16 is greater than equal to 0 that implies y square or you can take also first you have to take factorization so its factorization form is okay factorization form is 4 plus y into 4 minus y is greater than equal to 0 and you make all the coefficient of y is positive here y coefficient of y is minus so first to make the coefficient of y is positive that implies taking minus common so this is equal to y plus 4 and this is equal to y minus 4 is greater than equal to 0 so now multiplying minus sign on both sides this is y plus 4 into y minus 4 is less than equal to 0 okay then make it factor is equal to 0 y plus 4 ta 0 kale y plus 4 is equal to 0 we can get y is equal to minus 4 and other is 4 तो एटा को हमें 0 नेबा एटा 0 नेले y टा minus 4 हला y plus y minus 4 टा 0 नेले y टा 4 आसी so y is equal to minus 4 गोटे आउट 4 then plotted this root in a number line then this is a number line plotted so this is equal to minus 4 and 4 hela so this is equal to plus infinite and this is equal to minus infinite okay so here y plus 4 into y minus 4 is less than or equal to 0 means all the coefficient of y is positive so the rightmost region is positive take it the rightmost region is positive and this is negative and this is positive but here we consider y plus 4 into y minus 4 less than equal to 0 so less than equal to 0 means we take the negative sign so which part is negative minus 4 to 4 that means y belongs to close interval minus 4 to 4 तेणु ए रूट अनुसार जेहेतु y plus 4 into y minus 4 टा नेगेटिव अच्छी माने आम नेगेटिव भैल्यू कंसीडर करिया सो y belongs to minus 4 to 4 that's why the range of the function is a close interval minus 4 to 4 एटा आम लिखिया कथा but square root function here fx is equal to root over 16 minus x square no so yearly we say that the range the square root must be positive value so in that interval negative value also there so square root is always positive that's why we taking only its positive value जेहेतु ए नेगेटिव वैल्यू भी अच्छी स्क्वायर रूट टा केवल पॉजिटिव कंसीडर करा जिवो नहीं कि तेणु आर नेगेटिव वैल्यू को आमको ओमिट करिया पड़ियो नेग्लेक्ट करिया पड़ियो तो -4 टू 4 भितर जेतिकी नेगेटिव संख्या अछि केति नेगेटिव संख्या अछि -4 टू 0 जाय अछि तो -4 टू 0 टा को आमको नेग्लेक्ट करिया पड़ियो ओके देयरफॉर सिंस लिखिबेडी सिंस स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन its value square root function its value is always positive therefore range of the function is a closed interval 0 to 4 okay so range is equal to closed interval 0 to 4 next number 4 here fx is equal to first we take fx is equal to y fx means x by 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square is equal to y that implied so how to express x in term of y that implied x is equal to y plus x square into y nahi so clearly it is a quadratic in equation x it is a quadratic equation in variable x so write its quadratic form so this is equal to that implied x square y minus x plus y is equal to 0 which is quadratic equation in variable x so x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a तेणु जो केसटा क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म आसी तुम एक्सटा को y रे कन्वर्ट करियाटा जदि डिफिकल्ट हो एक्सप्रेस हो पार से केस रे तुम्हें क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म कंसीडर करियो ना कि सो टेक इट क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म quadratic polynomial form ax square plus bx plus c. So here x is equal to minus b, here a is equal to y and b is equal to minus 1, b equal to minus 1 and c is equal to y, c is equal to y, c equal to y. Okay, so x is equal to minus b, minus of minus 1 plus or minus b square means minus 1 to square, 1 minus 4ac, a means y, c means y. Okay, so c huchi y, so this is equal to by 2a, by 2 into a means y, so this is equal to 1 plus or minus root of a 1 minus 4y square by 2y. So here x is equal to this one. देखो तेणु जोड़ी डिफिकल्ट हम एक्सप्रेस हो पार नो से तुम क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म रे कन्वर्ट करियो से क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म रु एक्सट्रा तुम एमती स्टाइल एलिमिनेट कराब. सो क्लीयरली एक्स इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ वाई. बर्तमान आम देखा पड़ो वाई रो भैल्यू एक्सट्रा डिफाइंड हम. तो ये एक्सट्रा कौन अच्छी स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन अच्छी या डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट भी अच्छी. तो एक्स इज डिफाइंड 1 minus 4y square must be greater than or equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. Okay, so x is defined कहीं y रो जो वैल्यू पाई एक्स्ट्रा डिफाइंड हम दैट वैल्यू ऑफ y इज नोन एज a range. So x is defined if 1 minus 4y square greater than or equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. Okay, so 1 minus 4y square greater than 0 माने ये कौन अच्छी y square कोफिशिएंट कौन अच्छी नेगेटिव अच्छी. पॉलिनोमियल रो नेगेटिव थे तुम फास्ट मेक इट पॉजिटिव फॉर्म है आपको पॉजिटिव फॉर्म कन्वर्ट कर दियो. तो पॉजिटिव फॉर्म कन्वर्ट कले ये आसला 4y square minus 1 कौन हम लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. दैट इम्प्लाइज आपको फैक्टराइजेशन कले दिस इज 2y plus 1 into 2y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Okay, so here 2y minus 1 into 2y plus 1 less than 0 means first to make the each factor is equal to 0. तो y plus 1 टा 0 कले y टा केता आसियो minus 1 by 2 आसियो. एडी आसिबो y is equal to minus 1 by 2 out y is equal to 1 by 2 and plotted this root in a number line. तो पे तमे आपको नंबर लाइन लिखिबो नहीं कि write these roots in a number line and determine its sign that is equal to minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This is plus infinite and this is equal to minus infinite. Okay, since 2y plus 1 and 2y minus 1 here the coefficient of each factor is positive, so the rightmost region is positive and this is a negative and this is a positive. Okay, so it is one negative part achi. Negative part means less than equal to 0 means we consider the negative value, negative part. So this is equal to y belongs to, so y belongs to close interval minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Okay, so root of here 1 minus 4y square is defined if y belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So the range of the function minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 close interval. But y not equal to 0 also. Here y not equal to 0 and y not equal to 0 अच्छी ना नहीं. अच्छा, y not equal to 0 अच्छी. तेणु ए भितर जेहेतु 0 अच्छी तेणु 0 टाक आमको नेग्लेक्ट करिया पड़ियो. तो वी एक्सप्रेस y is equal to the value of y minus 1 by 2 to 0. 0 टा ओपन करिया minus 1 by 2 और minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 close interval minus 0. So range टा कौन हम क्लोज इंटरवल minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 minus 0 एटा लिखा कथा. किंतु but here f of x is equal to what? X by 1 plus x square. If we put x is equal to 0, then what happen? F of 0 is equal to 0 by 1 plus 0. So the 0 by 1 equal to 0. तेणु 0 रो इमेज टा कौन होची 0 आउसी. तो 0 रो इमेज होची 0 ना नहीं. दैट मीन्स 0 इज द प्री इमेज ऑफ 0. तो द सेट ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ इमेज वैल्यू इज नोन एज रेंज. जेहेतु जीरोटा गोटे इमेज सेट आसुची तेणु रेंज जीरो जीरो इनक्लूड कराब किंतु एडी सी नेग्लेक्ट ये मना कर वाईटा जीरो एक्सट्रा अनडिफाइंड हम किंतु बिगिनिंग रे आम जदि एक्जाक्ट जीरो पकेबा मूल फंक्शन रे आम जदि एक्जाक्ट जीरो पकेबा इफ यू पुट x is equal to 0 in the given function then clearly its value is 0 f of 0 is equal to 0 that means 0 is the image of 0. So the image is known as a range. So here we must conclude, must include 0 is also range of the function. तेणु ये मना कले भी यहाँ 0 देखा therefore range of the function is equal to close interval 1/2 to 1/2. जदि आम 0 पकेले ये 0 जदि आसी न था बोले आम रेंज टाक ए सेट रु माइनस करते जेहेतु ये 0 आसूची सो रेंज आम -1/2 to 1/2 लिखा है. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ द फिफ्थ प्रॉब्लम. ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फाइंड डोमेन एंड रेंज ऑफ fx equal to x square by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square number 1 and number 2 fx equal to 1/2 minus sin 3x. Here how to find the domain and range both? Answer 1. Okay, so fx equal to x square by 1 minus x square, you know domain of the function means for what value of x fx is defined. Here this is a fx that is x square by 1 plus x square take. So fx, since fx is in rational form, fx is undefined in rational form. First you have to find undefined set. So fx is undefined if 1 plus x square is equal to 0, that implied x square is equal to -1. So there is no value of real number whereas x square is equal to -1. That means x is equal to plus or minus root over -1 and it does not belongs to R. So domain of the function df is equal to R. देखो जदि x रो वैल्यू कौन आसता तमें डोमेन टा R माइनस लिखि था. So there is no value of x whereas x square is equal to -1. तार 1 plus x square is always greater than 0. 1 plus x square ta positive, that's why the domain of the function is R. Whatever may be the value of x, the value of fx is well defined. That's why the domain of the function is R. Next, range. So how to calculate range? First you have to take fx is equal to y, that implied x square by 1 plus x square is equal to y. Then x square is equal to y into 1 plus x square. Okay, that implied x square is equal to y plus x square y. Here to convert x in term of y, जो term रे x थिबो गोटे साइड लेख, तो x square minus x square y is equal to y. Then तो x square टा कॉमन ले कौन होची 1 minus y is equal to y. That's why x square is equal to y by 1 minus y है. So x is equal to root over y by 1 minus y. Okay, so here x is in a rational algebraic form and you know in a rational algebraic form how to find. So here x is defined, देखो x टा गोटे rational form रहा, स्क्वायर रूट भितर rational algebraic form अच्छी, तो x टा केतबेले defined हम. So x is defined if y by 1 minus y is greater than or equal to 0. but 1 minus y is not equal to 0 नहीं कि. तो यार रूटा बाहर करिया गले यार सॉल्यूशन बाहर करिया गले प्रथमे आपको फैक्टराइजेशन करियो, एटा भी फैक्टराइजेशन करिवो. सो क्लियरली इट इज फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म. एटा जेहेतु ऑलरेडी फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म अच्छी किंतु y रो कोएफिशिएंट नेगेटिव अच्छी, तो फर्स्ट टू मेक ऑल द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ ईच फैक्टर इज पॉजिटिव नहीं कि. So this is y by y minus 1 कौन हम less than or equal to 0 and y not equal to 1. Because 1 minus y is equal to 0 then function is undefined नहीं कि. अच्छा, so y by 1 minus y अच्छी तो न्यूमिनेटरटा को 0 कले वाईटा 0 आसला डिनोमिनेटर पार्टा को 0 कले वाईटा 1 आसला तो आपको जब आम नंबर लाइन ड्र करिया सो रूटटा गोटे 0 आसला गोटे 1 आसला एंड दिस इज द राइट मोस्ट रीजन प्लस एंड दिस इज here the right most reason is always positive because we take all the coefficient of y is negative ना कि जदि तुमे एडी कहीं पॉजिटिव कला राइट मोस्ट रीजन जदि आगे पॉजिटिव रोची माने प्लस हम ना कि सो यहाँ कौन हम दिस इज नेगेटिव एंड दिस इज पॉजिटिव जदि वाई कोफिशिएंट सब जाक पॉजिटिव कला जदि आगे नेगेटिव रोचे माने राइट मोस्ट रीजन तुम नेगेटिव कर कौन अच्छे ना ना तो कहते आम डिस्कसन करते हाउ टू फाइंड द साइन ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल अच्छा सो हियर कौन अच्छी y by y minus 1 less than equal to 0 means we consider the negative part so y must be belongs to 0 to 1 so y belongs to close interval 0 to 1 okay but y not equal to 1 but y not equal to 1 therefore range of the function rf is equal to so adi y not equal to 1 अच्छी therefore y belongs to close interval 0 to 1 open hobo and the value of y is known as range therefore range of the function is equal to close interval 0 to 1 okay so in this way you have to find the range and domain next second question number 2 fx is equal to number 2 fx is equal to 1 by 2 minus sin 3x so clearly fx is its rational form and you know fx is undefined fx is undefined if 2 minus sin 3x is equal to 0 जदि 2 minus sin 3x 0 हेले फंक्शन कौन हम अनडिफाइंड हम ना कि दैट इम्प्लाइज sin 3x is equal to 2 so sin 3x is equal to 2 which is never possible there is no value of x there is no value of x where sin 3x is equal to you know in a trigonometric function trigonometrical ratio what are the domain and the range of all trigonometrical ratio you know the domain of sin x is equal to set of real number and the range of sin x is equal to close interval minus 1 to 1 whatever may be the value of x the range of sin x must be close interval minus 1 to 1 so now sin 3x that 2 which is impossible which is sin 3x which is impossible that is there is no value of x where sin 3x is equal to 2 है तो x रो वैल्यू कौन आसला आम ये एफ एक्सटा अनडिफाइंड हम जो sin 3x 2 तार तो x रो वैल्यू कौन सी केबेले अनडिफाइंड हेनी देयर इज नो वैल्यू ऑफ x बिलोंग्स टू r वेर fx is undefined that's why therefore so domain of the function is equal to r ना कि देख ये एक्स रैल्यूटा कौन आसते तुम डोमेनटा कौन लिखी था आर माइनस लिखी था तो ये एमजीआर एक्स रैल्यू कुछ ना ना देयर इज नो वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स वेर sin 3x is equal to है तार तो सब फंक्शनटा कौन हम डिफाइंड हम ये सब फंक्शनटा डिफाइंड हम देयरफॉर द डोमेन ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज इक्वल टू आर नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन तो रेंज आम केमती बाहर करा देख तो रेंज मीन्स व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ एफ एक्स लाइज यू नो sin 3x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 एंड ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू -1 ये एफ एक्स इक्वल वाई ना किसी आवश्यक ना because we are already know the range of the trigonometric function sin 3x equal to -1 to 1 माइनस अच्छी माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई कर सो sin 3x इज माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई कले यहाँ कौन हम ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू हम -1 मल्टीप्लाई कले यहाँ 1 हम आईटा ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू -1 ओके कहीं माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई कले इनइक्वालिटी चेंज हम तापर 2 अच्छी 2 ऐड करदे 2 माइनस sin 3x is greater than or equal to 2 minus 1 this is equal to 2 plus 1 and 3 is greater than or equal to 2 minus sin 3x is greater than or equal to 1 तो take it is reciprocal value ना कि कहीं एफ एक्स 1/2 minus sin 3x अच्छी तो यार आम रेसिप्रोकाल कंसीडर करिया 2 minus sin 3x ओके सो रेसिप्रोकाल नेले भी इनइक्वालिटी चेंज हो सो लेस देन इक्वल टू 1/3 हम तो 1/2 minus sin 3x is less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to 1/3 and this is known as fx. So fx is less than equal to 1 greater than equal to 1/3, therefore fx belongs to closed interval 1/3 to 1, therefore the range of the function rf is equal to 1/3 to 1. Okay, तो ये y नेबा के आवश्यक नहीं because we are already know the range of sin x and sin 3x. Okay, so in this way you have to find the domain of every function and range. The next we discuss what are the different types of standard function. Okay, now the first one is real valued function. So what is real valued function? A function whose domain and codomain are subset of a real number, that is real valued function. तेणु जो function रो domain डा codomain डा जदि subset of a real number होइतिबो, that is known as a real valued function. So a function f is a mapping from R to R. What is R? Where R is a set of real number is called real valued function. Real valued function. Okay, real valued function. So एबे आमे जति function discussion करले all are known as a real valued function. Okay, next number 2, polynomial function. You know polynomial function? A function f is a mapping R to R defined by fx equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot an x to the power n, where n belongs to capital N, an not equal to 0, a0, a1 dot dot an minus 1 are real coefficient, a real coefficient, that is a real coefficient constant is called polynomial function. Okay, this is known as a polynomial function of a degree n. Okay, the highest power of x is known as the degree of the polynomial function. तेणु जो फंक्शन टा एम दी स्टाइल एक्सप्रेशन कराई आ सब जाक एक्स पावरटा गोटे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर थी जदि एक्स पावरटा रेशनल पावर थी बा नेगेटिव नंबर थी नेगेटिव इंडेक्स थी देन दिस इज नॉट ए पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल fx इज इक्वल टू 2 plus 3x plus 5x square plus 7 into x to the power 10. So clearly it is a polynomial function of degree 10. fx is equal to 2 minus 3x plus 7x square. This is a polynomial function of degree 2. If degree of the polynomial function is 1, then this is a linear function. Degree ta 2 tila me koche quadratic polynomial nahi. Acha, but fx is equal to x power minus 2 plus 5. This is not a polynomial function because it is a negative index, or fx is equal to x power 3/2 plus 2x plus 5. This is also fractional index, so this is not a polynomial function. तो polynomial function माने x power टा सब गोटे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर रहा दरकार. So linear function fx is equal to a naught plus a1x. This is known as a linear function. Linear function and a polynomial whose degree is 1 is known as a linear function, and fx is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square, and this is known as a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial है quadratic polynomial. This is known as a quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, then this is a cubic polynomial, like that. Okay. Next, number 3, irrational function. Irrational function. So what is the irrational function? A function involves negative power, involves negative power or fractional power or fractional power is called irrational function. What is the irrational function? A function involves negative power or fractional power. These are known as irrational function. Okay, because 1 by x square plus 5 x by 3 by 2 plus 2x plus 5, these are known as irrational function. Okay, next, rational function. Next we go to rational function. Okay, so let fx and gx are two polynomial function, then the expression are two polynomial function, then f of x by g of x, where g of x not equal to 0, is called rational function. Okay, and you know how to find the domain of the rational function. Okay, for example, x cube plus 7x square plus 9x by x fourth by 9x fourth minus 3x cube plus 2, or 3 into x to the power 10 minus 3x to the power 7 plus 1 by 11x square plus 2. These are known as a rational function. Okay, and you know, if a degree of gx is greater than degree of fx, then this is a proper rational function, otherwise it is a improper rational function. जदि डिनोमिनेटर डिग्रीटा न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटर रोचे ताको हम कहया प्रॉपर कहबा, अदरवाइज इट इज इम्प्रॉपर. दी आगर डिग्री जदि समान थिबो बा न्यूमरेटर डिग्रीटा डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर अछि, देन दिस इज ए इम्प्रॉपर. ओके, तो सेम थिले भी डिग्री दीटा को समान रहियो माने सेटा होछ इम्प्रॉपर. न्यूमरेटर डिग्रीटा डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर रहले भी इम्प्रॉपर, डिनोमिनेटर डिग्रीटा न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटर रहले प्रॉपर कहबा. तलर फंक्शनटा जदि ऊपर डिग्री टू बड़ होछि, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर, अदरवाइज इट इज इम्प्रॉपर. ओके, एंड दिस इज नोन एज ए रैशनल फंक्शन. नेक्स्ट कांस्टेंट फंक्शन. कांस्टेंट फंक्शन, a function f of x is equal to k. F of x is equal to k, where k is a constant, where k is a constant for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R, whatever may be the value of x, f of x is equal to k is called constant function. Okay, for example, For example, fx is equal to 2. This is a constant function. Or f of x is equal to minus 3. This is also constant function. Or fx is equal to 1 by 5. So these are known as a constant function. Then just what are the graph of the constant function? Write the graph of fx is equal to k. Suppose let fx is equal to 2. So what is its graph? So how can you draw the graph of the function? First you have to take fx is equal to y and take the some value of x to find the corresponding value of y. This point plotted in a coordinate axis and joining this point, after joining this figure is known as a graph. Okay. तेणु ग्राफ ड्र करिया गले प्रथमे आम एफएक्स टाक वाई नहीं जावा एक्स रो किसी वैल्यू पाई वाई रो करस्पोंडिंग वैल्यूटा आम बाहर करिया से वैल्यूटा को आम कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस रे ड्र करिया ड्र कला परे जो फिगरटा आसीबो दैट इज नोन एज ग्राफ ऑफ द फंक्शन. ओके. सो हियर एफएक्स इज इक्वल टू वाई, एफएक्स इज इक्वल टू वाई, दैट इज वाई इज इक्वल टू 2, वाई इज इक्वल टू 2, y is equal to 2 and draw this graph. This is x and this is y. Okay. Suppose if we put x is equal to 0, so x आम जब 0 पकेबा f of 0 माने कौन y है तो f of 0 हूँ 2, एक्सट्रा 1 नेले y टा 2, एक्सट्रा 2 नेले 2, एक्सट्रा 3 पकले y टा 2 आगा नहीं कि व्हाट एवर मे बी द वैल्यू ऑफ x सब y टा 2 आगा आसी -1 पकले भी 2, -2 पकले भी 2 और -3 पकेब -3 पकले भी 2 आगे आसियो. सो ड्रॉ दिस ग्राफ. क्लियरली इट इज ए कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस. दिस वन इज x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash. देखो एडी आम नेबा 0, दिस इज 1 and this is 2 3, this is -1 -2 -3, this is 1, this is 2 and -1 -2. तो 0 पकले 2 आसी, 1 पकले 2, 2 पकले 2 आसियो, 3 पकले 3, -1 पकले 2, -2 पकले 2, -3 पकले 3. So if we joining all this point, okay, then we get a straight line. We get a line and this line must be parallel to x axis. So y is equal to 2. This line is y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 is a straight line parallel to above the x axis. If we take y is equal to -2, then this is also straight line parallel to below the x axis. जेतल k रहला पॉजिटिव होबो, this is a line parallel to above x axis. And if k is negative, this is also straight line parallel to the below the x axis. If k is equal to 0, what happen? Then y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means this is the straight line. Y is equal to 0. So this is a line coincide with the x axis. That means y is equal to 0 means x axis. And if we take y is equal to -2, this is a line y is equal to -2. Do you understand? What represent the graph of fx is equal to k? If k is positive, then the graph is parallel to above the x axis. If k is negative, then it is also straight line parallel to the below the x axis. If k is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 represent y x axis. Y is equal to 0 represent x axis. Okay. So the domain of the constant function is R, because for whatever may be the value of x, the constant function is defined and the range of the constant function is equal to k. जदि तुम fx टा जदि 2 नब माने रेंज रा 2 आसीबो, fx टा जदि 3 नब k टा 3 नब बोले रेंज रा 3 आबो नै कि. So domain of the constant function, domain of constant function equal to R and range of the constant function is equal to k, where k is a constant. k is a constant. Next, identity function. Identity function. So identity function. So what is the identity function? Let capital A be a non-empty set. Okay, let A be a non-empty set. Non-empty set. A function f is a mapping A to A. F is a mapping A to A defined by f of x is equal to x. What? F of x is equal to x for all x. For all x belongs to A is called identity function. Identity function. So f of x is equal to x. If we put x is equal to 1, then f of 1 is equal to 1. If we put x is equal to 2, then f of 2 equal to 2. If we put x is equal to minus 100, then f of x is equal to minus 100. So input jaha ho, output taha ho. Joda pakebo seda asiyo. That is known as identity function. And this identity function is denoted by, it is denoted by I on A. I on A or identity function, ID on A of x. Identity function on x. Okay. So identity function on x, that is identity function on x. Identity function of x is equal to x for all x. For all x belongs to A. For all x belongs to A. This is the symbol for all. For all माने x रो every value पाई ना नहीं A set जहाँ जा element अच्छी तो मैं identity function of x is equal to x अब okay. So now what are the graph of the identity function? आर domain ना कौन होगा देखो domain माने x रो जो value पाई function टा defined होगा तो clearly x रो को value पाई defined होगा A value पाई A set टा ऊपर define कराई ची. So the domain of the identity function is A and range is also A. Suppose identity function is a mapping from R to R. It is a identity function f is a mapping R to R defined by fx equal to x. This is known as a identity function on set of real number. Okay. So here domain of the identity function is A set and range is also A set. Domain of identity function on A is equal to A and range of identity function on A of x is equal to A set. Okay. So identity function the domain is A set, range is A set. Now the graph of identity function. Let y is equal to identity function on x for all x belongs to A. Okay. Suppose this is x and this is known as y. If we put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 1, then identity function of 1 is equal to 1. Because identity function of x, identity function on A of x is equal to x. If we put x is equal to 2, then it is 2. If we put x is equal to 3, then identity function of 3 equal to 3. तो 4 पकड़ले 4 आसियो, -1 पकड़ले -1 आसियो, -2 नले -2 आसियो, -3 पकड़ले भी -3 आसियो. So the graph of the identity function like that. This is known as a coordinate axis. Here xo, x dash, and this is known as a yo, y dash. Okay. So clearly this is x axis and this is known as a y axis. देखो ये 0 पकड़ो. This is 1 and this is 2, 3. Here -1, -2 and this is -3. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3. If we put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. Extra 1 नले y डा 1 होची. Extra 2 नले y डा 2. 3 नले 3. -1 पकड़ले -1 नला. Here this is -2 and this is equal to minus 3. Okay. So this is if we joining this point, we will get a straight line. We will get a straight line, and this line is makes an equal angle with the coordinate axis. So clearly this is y is equal to x line. So the graph of the identity function is a straight line. Okay, this is a straight line. So this is a y is equal to x is a straight line, makes an equal angle, makes an angle 45 degree with x axis and also y axis. Graph of identity function on a of x equal to x is represent straight line makes 45 degree with coordinate axis. Okay, so y is equal to x is a straight line. Y is equal to x is a straight line, makes equal angle with x axis and y axis. So using the concept of class number 1, 2, 3, you do some problems yourself. Number 1, find the range of the function f(x) equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 3x. Number 2, f(x) equal to root over x square plus 2x plus 5. Next question number 2 find the domain and range both बाहर करियो. Third question only domain बाहर करियो. Fourth number ta f is a mapping R to R defined by f(x) equal to x square plus 2, where a is equal to set of real number x such that x less than 1 greater than minus 2. Then find the range of the function f of a. जदि x minus 2 to minus 1 भितर रहिबो तेबे से फंक्शन रेंज रा केते माने f of a रा कैलकुलेट करियो. सिन द 5th नंबर क्वेश्चन रे g of a रा कैलकुलेट करियो. से फंक्शन रेंज रा कैलकुलेट करहबो. फंक्शन रा देछि 1 by x plus 1 देछि आउ a रा अछि 2 to 3 भितर अछि. Okay, so in next class we do some other type of different functions. Thank you.